summer. The solar term lesser fullness of grain, or 小满, is endowed with a unique cultural code by the Chinese, reaching a state of fullness, yet not to its utmost extent. Isn't this reflective of life itself? Each transition in solar terms carries its own underlying meaning. During this time, crops in northern China start to swell, although they are not yet fully ripe. Meanwhile, in the south, if rainfall during this period is sufficient but not excessive, it forecasts favorable water availability in the months to come, as long as the rainfall remains moderate. Just as balance is inherent in the rhythm of breath, so too does renewal persist within the cyclic patterns of nature. The essence of 小满 lies in maintaining the conservation of energy amidst a steady growth. By nurturing both enrichment and high spirits, everything gains solidity and reliability. In the preservation of rhythm and tranquility, and pursuit of freedom and abundance, one attains self-reflection and a deep inhalation of the expansive world around us. All of this is visible. Each phase of life is a section of nature. 小满, at its core, embodies an attitude, the exact degree of being full, but not overflowing.